Good morning, student. This is 8th standard science subject revision for you from the lesson Plant Kingdom. I have already given one revision audio class for you. This is another one for the purpose of learning. You have to learn well, prepare well for your another unit test. Okay. Now listen to the question 1. Take answer the following short answers, that is from Roman number 5. First question is define thallus. Thallus refer to a plant body which is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Example, algae. What is meant by binomial nomenclature? Give example. The answer is the naming of an organisms with two words are known as binomial nomenclature. For example, the binomial name of mango is Mangifera indica. Here, Mangifera indica, genus name and species name are given. M is written in the capital letter. And then in indica, I is written in the small letter. So, the rule is genus name should be start with the capital letter. Species name should be start with the small letter. So, Mangifera indica. Mangifera is the genus name of the mango. Indica is the species name of the mango. So, the answer is Mangifera indica. And the first word Mangifera refers to the genus name and the second word indica to the species name. The third question, right? Any 2 points of dicotyledons. The answer is seed has 2 cotyledons. Plants have taproot system. Leaves with reticulate venation. Flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous. Calyx and corolla are well differentiated. Pollination occurs mostly by insects. Seeds of gymnosperm plants are naked. Why? The answer is in gymnosperms, ovules are born on megasporophylls and no flowers are produced. Therefore, the seeds are described as naked. They are open seed bearing plants. The next question, question number 5. Write any 2 economic importance of fungi. The answer is mushrooms contain rich protein, minerals and are edible. Example, agaricus. The antibiotic penicillin is got from the fungus Penicillium notatum. Other antibiotics like gentamicin, erythromycin are also got from fungi. Here Penicillium notatum. You should write the penicillium. P should be in a capital letter and notatum N should be written in the small letter. In this notes it is written in the small letter. You have to write in the capital letter. Okay, the next one. Answer the following questions in brief. First one, write short notes about natural system of the classification. In this system, plants are classified on the basis of several characters. Bentham and Hooker's classification is an example of natural system of classification. This system of classification is based on morphological. This classification is widely used in many herbaria and botanical gardens all over the world. Bentham and Hooker published their natural system of classification in their book named Genera Plantarum in 3 volumes. Write any 3 economic importance of algae. One is given as agricultural important. Another one, agar-agar, iodine, it is given. Agricultural important is some of the blue-green algae are essential for the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increases the fertility of the soil. Example, nostoc, anabina. Agar-agar. Agar-agar is extracted from some red algae, namely Gelidium, Gracilaria, etc., which is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Iodine. Iodine is obtained from brown algae like Laminaria, kelp. Write the difference between algae and the fungi. Algae. Algae are autotrophs. It has pigments. Reserved food materials is starch. Some algae are prokaryotic in nature. Example, cyanobacteria, nostoc, anabina. Fungi. Fungi are heterotrophs. It has no pigments. Reserve food materials are glycogen and oil. All are eukaryotic nature. Example, agaricus. How many classes are there in bryophytes? What are they? Bryophytes are classified into 3 classes. Class 1, Hepaticae, liverwurst. Example, Rixia. Class 2, Anthoceratae, hornwurst. Example, Anthoceros. Class 3, Musci, mosses. Example, Funaria. Write any 4 characteristics of the pteridophytes. The main plant body is sporophytes, which is a dominant phase differentiated into true root system and leaves. Sporophytes reproduce by means of spores. Spores are produced in sporangium. The sporangia bearing leaves are called sporophyll. Most of the plants produce only one type of spores. It may be either microspore or megaspore, that is homosporous. Let answer the following question in detail. Draw the outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Outline of Bentham and Hooker system of classification. Seeded plant. It has a division in the seeded plant. Class 1, Dicotyledonnae. Subclass 1, Polypetalae. Thalamiflorae, Dixiflorae, Caliciflorae. Subclass 2, Synpetalae. Inferae, Heteromerae, Bicarpellatae. Here subclass 3, Monoclamidae. It has 8 series, 36 families. Gymnospermae, class 2. It has 3 families. Monocotyledonnae, class 3. It has 8 series, 36 family. Write any 5 difference between monocots and dicot plant. Monocots, seeds have a single cotyledon. Leaves show parallel venation. They have fibrous root system. Flowers are trimerous. Example, paddy. Dicots, seeds have 2 cotyledons. Leaves show reticulate venation. They have taproot system. Flowers are tetra or pentamerous. Example, mango. Write difference between gymnosperms and angiosperms. It's very important question. You have to learn and write properly. They reproduce by production of cones. Pollination is by wind. They are naked seed bearing plants. The xylem lacks vessels and phloem lacks sieve tubes. They have 2 phases in its life cycle, sporophytes and gametophyte. Angiosperms. They produce flowers. Pollination takes place by wind, water, insects, etc. They are closed seed bearing plants. Xylem and phloem are well developed. The sporophyte is the dominant phase. Gametophytic phase is much reduced in angiosperms. Write the economic importance of the gymnosperms. Woods of many conifers are used in paper industries. Example, Pinus agathis. Conifers are the sources of softwood for constructions, packing and plywood industry. Example, Cedrus agathis. Turpentine is an essential oil used for paint preparation extracted from the resin of the pinus. It is also used medicinally for relief from pain and bronchitis, etc. Seeds of Pinus gerardiana are edible. Here Pinus is a genus name, gerardiana is a species name. Ephedrine is an alkaloid extracted from the ephedra. It cures asthma and respiratory problems. Araucaria bidwilli is an ornamental plant. Write the names of the medicinal plants and explain their uses. Medicinal plants and their uses. Acalypha indica, Kuppaimeni. The paste obtained from the leaves of this plant is used to cure the burns on the skin. The juice of this plant leaves is mixed with lemon juice to cure ringworm. Aglae marmelos, Wilvum. The unripe fruit of this tree is used to treat indigestion. It is used to cure chronic diarrhea and dysentery. Solanum trilobatum. The leaves and the fruits of this plant cure cough and cold. It is widely used in the treatment of tuberculosis and bronchial asthma. Phyllanthus amarus, Kiranelli. The entire plant is used for the treatment of jaundice. It gives additional strength to human liver and used to treat other liver disorders. Aloe vera, Sotracathari. Leaves of this plant is used to cure piles and inflammation on the skin. It cures peptic ulcer. Now this is the end of the revision. Now whatever I have given for your revision, you be thorough with that and learn very well and prepare well for the next unit test. Okay, thank you children.